As you know, we've been working on the Yes on Issue 3 campaign to make certain that we not only provide for the legalization of marijuana for the adult personal use, but also for the compassionate care of the chronically ill. As part of this whole process, we've been working to also ensure that the folks that have been caught up in the past with a misdemeanor or nonviolent felony on marijuana charges have the ability to move forward with us. We've seen other states lag behind that. California, it was in 1996 that they actually legalized medical marijuana, and it wasn't until 18 years later that they came about with Proposition 147, and 147 provides very much what the Fresh Start Act provides. That's a second chance. This allows people that have been convicted of offenses that are no longer illegal an ability to move forward, an ability to get expungement and sentencing review. And that's important because as we see people that are shackled to their past, be that from a misdemeanor of having as much or as little rather as one joint in their pocket, and they lose their driver's license so they can't get to work, or they lose their student financial aid so they can't go to college, or they lose the ability and the prohibition of ever having the right to have employment licensing, such as a plumber, a realtor, or even a nail tech or barber. When you start to take away people's ability to work, you start to take away their ability to have money to go to school to get a higher education, you take away their ability to drive, you hobble them in society. And when you take away their right to have public housing accommodations and you separate families, you do more than that. You do a great disservice to our whole society. And we need to stop that, and we will do that by providing people the ability to expunge their records and have sentencing review with the Fresh Start Act. Today, we are going to file 236,759 signatures with the Secretary of State with this initiated statute. It will go to the Ohio General Assembly, rather. The General Assembly will have from January until the first week of May to pass this issue or pass on this issue. If they pass the issue, there will be no need to collect any additional signatures. If they pass the issue, but then the governor vetoes, we will go forward and we will collect more signatures, another 92,000 valid signatures, and we will place this issue on the 2016 November ballot because we believe that it's important for us to move forward. There's a great injustice that goes on throughout the state, and this is tied, of course, to a number of things, not the least of which is Issue 3. But you cannot expunge that which is still illegal. So with Issue 3 making marijuana charges legal or no longer illegal, you do have the ability for folks to actually get to the point of having expungement. It does not only rely on marijuana. Other offenses that are no longer illegal will also fall under this initiated statute. With that, I'm going to turn this over to